Michael Obiaho. I am the CEO of Finpad Social Enterprises. We are into solar energy generation. Today, I will teach you how you can build your own solar inverter with your battery and your solar panel to generate your own electricity like this one, which can power your home appliances like your television, your fan, and your lighting point. I will show you step by step how you can build your own circuit like this with your IC, transistors, resistors, with your transformer and your MOSFET, all the components that is required to produce solar inverter system. Use to produce our solar inverter. This circuit, we have two pieces of 10K resistor, two pieces of 1K resistor, 22 ohms, 100K resistor, 3.9K resistor, 1 variable resistor, capacitor, 104 capacitor. This one and this one is 10K resistor. This and this 10K resistor. This is 22 ohms resistor. This is 1K. This is 1K. This is variable resistor. This is 100K resistor. This is 3.9K resistor and 104 capacitor. This is variable resistor 104. The value is 104 variable resistor. These are the components we use to build this solar inverter. This is how the resistors are connected to the IC, which is the powerhouse of the circuit. As you can see, the 104, our variable resistor, has 3 pins, 1, 2 and 3. Pin 1 of the variable resistor is linked to this 1K resistor down to pin 16, while pin 2 of the variable resistor is linked to pin 2 of the IC, which is this, and the pin 3 of the variable resistor is connected to 1K resistor which is this. This is pin 3 of this variable resistor connected with 1K to pin 4 of the IC. Look at it here. This is 1K resistor connected to pin 4 of the IC and pin 3 of this variable resistor. Look at it here. This is pin 3. This is 1K resistor and this is pin 4 of the IC. This is 100K resistor. Look at it here. 100K. Look at it here, connected to pin 6 and 3.9. 100K is linked to 3.9 to pin 66 of this IC down to ground, which is the negative side of this circuit. Look at 3.9K resistor. It links to ground, which is negative wire of this MOSFET. 10K resistor is also connected to negative side, negative wire. Another 10K resistor is connected to capacitor. Is also, all of them are linked to negative of this inverter, which is the ground. Look at it here. See, 3.9k is connected here. See this one, capacitor also connected, and this line you also connect pin 8, which is this one here, also to this. That is the, see the back. We use our lead, use lead and soldering iron to solder it together, just this way. This is pin 1 with pin 9. That's this wire from here to here. This is the back side of it where we solder them together. See this one, 10k resistor. Look at it here. It's connected to pin 11. See it here, pin 11, 10k resistor down to ground, which is negative. See another 10k resistor, this one from pin 14. Look at it here, connected to pin 14. Look at 10k resistor down to ground, which is negative. It is this negative wire that connects with this, as I showed you before, connect with the source of this MOSFET, which gives you negative side of the inverter that connects to the negative side of the battery. This is the negative, which is the ground of this circuit board. From our diagram, where you see that all the ground are connected to this output wire. It is this wire that we connect to this, the source of this MOSFET. We connect it together like this. This is the source MOSFET connected to the source and or ground, which is negative of this circuit. Then from here you now link to negative of your battery. This is the negative of battery. Look at it here. This is the wire, the negative of the inverter to negative of the battery. This is how the MOSFET is connected in the inverter. This is our battery that has been charged from our solar panel. This is our inverter, from our transformer to our circuit and the MOSFET to our battery. These are the summary of the connections we did that produce this light. If we connect this, you can see this is our solar inverter system. This is our IC SG3524, and this is our socket, the IC socket. These are the components, the variable resistors, the 10k resistors, and the capacitor. This is our jumper wire we use in connecting them. This is our LED, and this is our soldering iron we use to solder the components together. First of all, we fix our IC socket to the circuit board like this. So this is our IC socket. This is our 1K resistor connected to pin 16. Variable resistor. You fix it. All the resistors together with the IC socket. Then you now get the IC itself and put it, fix it to the socket, the IC socket. You should know the head of the IC so that you will not misplace it. You look at you will see the